Hi, Eileen with Wizard Labs again, and I have another drink here for you guys. This one's called the Wizard Breeze, and it's really easy. It's a rum drink. Gonna get right into it. Here we go. We're gonna fill up our shaker with ice. There we go. And then we're gonna go with 1.5 ounces of rum of your choice. That's a 6 counts. And then we're gonna do 4 ounces of pineapple juice. I pre-measured. So there we go. And then we're gonna go with 1/2 ounce, so that's just a little bit. It's like a 2 count of grenadine. There we go. 1, 2. And then this one takes 4 of our flavors. But actually before that, we're gonna do 1 ounce, of lemon juice. So I already squeezed it. Managed to get some in my eyeball. So this drink takes 4 of our flavors. It takes Sugar Daddy, regular sweetener. Not actually a flavor, it's just a sweetener. I'm gonna do 2 drops of that. There we go. And then we're gonna go with Coconut by Mullenberry. We're gonna go with about 3 drops of that. And next flavor is Apricot by Capella, 3 drops. You can always go a little more if you'd like, depending, if you like, and then we're gonna go with banana. If you like banana, add a couple more drops. I'm gonna go with 3 drops. I'm gonna do an even drops of all the flavors. So, and that's basically it. You shake it up. And I thought it'd be a little silly and use one of our beakers for this one, since it's called the Wizard Breeze. And that's it. Pour it right into your beaker. It's a little low, but that's okay. There's your drink. Tastes delicious. Cheers.